All right, for my 770 Roomba, this is the part that's sticky. You can see here, and it goes all the way around on this part. Is sticky. And then this outer rim is sticky as well. And it's sticky wherever this plastic is. So just a little bit here. It's not sticky on the bottom here where there's the harder plastic. It's this, and it goes all the way around. So it's on the bumper and it's on the back. You can see how sticky it is. I can pick up the Roomba by just touching it. A little bit on the bin. But yeah, that just here. But not on the the glossy surfaces. Just this matte plastic. And it's sticky underneath too. So it goes all the way around. Wherever that matte plastic is become sticky.